What's up, everybody? Oh, I'm choking. Oh, my bad. Well, guess what time it is? It's Boxy Charm time. Yes, it is. Yes, it is. Well, this is July's base box. And I kind of looked through it, and it's not that great, but that's okay because I still got some cool stuff in there. So we'll see. First, well, let's read the card because that's what everybody does. Boxy Charm Fantasy. That's this month's base box thing. And I guess I have variation 019. Although I do remember not asking for one of the products. Well, at least they got my choice wrong, or at least I thought I had my choice wrong. And then I contacted Boxy Charm and they were like, "Nah, sis, you got what you asked for." So, yeah, let's get into the box. All right, first up is the Alamar Hydrating Complexion Trio. I don't exactly know what this is. I've never heard of this company. So, we'll see what it is. And it is, let's see. It's a complexion trio. It's a brighten and bronze complexion trio. I don't know how to bronze. I don't necessarily know that it's for me to do either, so I don't know. We'll see. But this is what it looks like inside. And it's a little true to color right now. But I don't necessarily know which one's the highlighter. I'm assuming this dark one, the darker one, is the bronzer. And that, it's pretty dark. And let's see, the medium one, it's called Cinnamon Sugar. I don't know, that's kind of true to tone. I don't really know what I'd use that for, but that's okay. And then Golden Hour is the lightest one. I'm assuming that's the one to highlight with. Yikes. I don't know, maybe if it's blended out and buffed out, it would look different. I don't know, we'll see. All right, but this one retails for $25. And it's a little out of my budget considering I own bronze. But that's okay, maybe I'll learn. Next up, the reason why these subscription boxes have such high retail values, by the way, is because they always include skincare. And skincare, we all know, is just like super expensive for no reason. But this one, I guess, is the full size tube, and it is Mud Masky. It is a moisture boost eye serum. Now, I know last time I said I don't really need these because I don't really have bags, but maybe I lied because it was a rough week. So don't judge me or my bags, but that's okay. And this one retails for $63. And it's vitamin infused, so I don't know. Let's see what it feels like. Because my skin has just been going crazy late. I don't know what it was this week. It was just awful. Awful. I don't know what was happening. Okay. I'll try to open that later because my nails ain't gonna let it happen. So moving on. Let's see what else is in the box. Ooh. Grande Glow Plumping Liquid Highlighter. You see these cheeks, right? Don't look at my edges. But you see these cheeks, right? I don't really think I need any plumping. But let's see what it looks like. Yes, I do got the fan going because it is hot and I don't have air conditioning. Ooh, but this is actually really, really pretty. Like, this is my kind of champagne-y color. I don't know if you could tell. Right here. But that's like my color. That's really pretty. Really, really pretty. I would put some on now, but I don't think you could see it. First of all, I look crazy. You don't need to see my edges, like I said. But I'm gonna definitely try this. I might screw it up, but I'm gonna try this. Up next is a, oh, I didn't even say how much that cost. costs $25. See, again, I'm not spending $25 on something I'm probably not going to use, because I would probably put too much, or I would probably let it dry, and then I just had this big old streak, like my hand. I just have this on my face. And I'll be like, you're not going to blend that in? Or like my sister would say, you know people can see you, right? So I probably won't take that chance. Not for $25 stuff. But it was, well, no, it was free, but close enough. All right, so up next we have the Lifestyle Code Detox Hair Serum. Now I've been seeing these in all the videos. I don't necessarily need well, I don't know what it does, so let me not say that I don't need it. But yeah, I make my own hair oils, and so I don't necessarily know that I would use this. But maybe if I figured out what it was for, it might be a different story. I guess you're supposed to rub it on your scalp, and it stimulates and soothes dry and itchy scalp, promotes healthy growth, and leaves your hair healthy or shiny and soft. It doesn't smell like anything, so that could be good. You know, sometimes we go to bed smelling like Soul for 8. It stank, but your hair was growing, so it was a win-win. So I don't know. I don't know what I'm gonna do with this one, but maybe I will use it on the next time I actually do my hair. So we'll see. All right. Last but not least is the BDB brow pencil. Now, oh, it's in the color taupe. I don't really know what I'm gonna do with the color taupe, but we're gonna see. Let's see. Well, if it'll come out. Oh, it's all like skinny and stuff. See, I don't do my brows. I don't necessarily know how to do my brows. I think that's the thing. And I like my eyebrows. Like, I'll go and get them cleaned up every once and again. So, but there's the spoolie, and that's pretty cool, because I think you're supposed to, you know, brush them up. And I like having nice thick eyebrows. Yeah. Well, let's see what color this taupe is, honey. Oh, okay. So I don't know if you can see that, but it's actually pretty dark. I wasn't expecting. See, when I think of taupe, growing up, you got the taupe pantyhose or stockings, as you know our grandparents used to say. That's actually really dark. That's actually really dark. Now, I wouldn't know what to do with it, because like I said, I don't know how to do my brows, but I'm gonna learn one day, and I'll probably make a video out of it, making a fool out of me trying to learn, but that's okay. You know, YouTube is all here for fun, right? Let's see. Yeah, that was cool. But yeah, that's it. So I didn't total how much this makes, but it's over it's almost $200 worth of product. So that's cool for $25 a month. Now, when will I use this stuff? I'm not really sure. But maybe one of my sisters, well, she knows who she is, will help me learn how to do this. Because sometimes I want, even though my 14-year-old is better at brows and putting on lashes in a doggone car. Like, who does that? Who puts on lashes? Can you put your lashes on in the car while it's moving? I mean, not while you're driving, because that's unsafe. And we promote safe driving habits around here, so we're not gonna say that. But she's only 14. How in the world did you learn how to do that? Got a little hate, but that's okay, because I'm gonna learn too. I got some lashes coming up, and I'm gonna put them on. And one day I'm gonna get so good I won't even need the tool, because I have several. But yeah. So yeah, this is this month's July BoxyCharm base box. I'm still waiting on my premium box, which I am super excited about because everything in it is Anastasia Beverly Hills or Norvina. Hopefully they didn't mess up my choice in there because I chose the purple one. But we gonna see. First, I'm gonna be really upset, and I'll be sending DMs to BoxyCharm. But that's okay. But thanks again for joining me, guys. I appreciate it. And so, what do all the YouTubers say? Like, comment, subscribe. You know, we're trying to get monetized over here, honey. So yeah, thanks for joining me. Talk to you later.